I have a great site for you if you have an article on the internet that you want your students to read.
The name of the site is called Diffit, and let's take a look at how to use this site. So here I have an article that I wanted my students to read in my class. We've been talking about robotics in my class and the robots that Amazon use. You can see this website experience is usually never that great on most websites for reading articles. So I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste the link to this article. So right here you can see you have three choices in Diffit, literally anything, an article, in any text or excerpt, and I'm going to go with an article. And then I'm going to go ahead and paste in the link to the article. So down here, and I love the simplicity of all this. So down here you can choose which grade level you'd like to choose. And so right here, you can see you have all the grade levels there. I'm gonna go. This is for my 8th grade class. I'm gonna choose 8th grade. But once again, if you're trying to differentiate in your classroom and you have some students in your classroom who are a little bit of lower readers, you can change the article up for them as well, which is super nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and click Generate Resources, and this will take anywhere from about, I don't know, 10 to 15 seconds or so. So here we have the results from Diffit, and you can see here there's the summary of the article at an 8th grade level, which is great. Even gives you a few summary sentences if you're talking about summaries in your classroom. You have some key vocabulary words that it pulls out with the definitions if you're focused on vocabulary, and then it gives you some comprehension questions to ask your students, which is my favorite part of all of this. You got 3 multiple choice and a couple short answer and open-ended questions. And then up here, you can change the grade level again if you wanted. And then you have the export and share. So if I click export, I have print or save as a PDF, export to Google Docs, or export to Form. So you have some different choices, and I'll just go with print or save as a PDF. And then you can choose which of these things I just showed you you want to hand out to the students. So you have, all the things there: key vocabulary, short answers, the summary, and then you can go ahead and then print this off. So especially as a teacher who's not an English language arts teacher, but you still want to introduce some reading into your lessons, I think this is a really helpful tool and awesome tool to use. Just kind of have in your tool chest of cool things to use with your students. So let me know what you think down in the comments below, but Diffit is something I will definitely be using in my classroom.